This message is for direct care workers, area managers. Um, Wanted to discuss some of the things in regards to how you guys normally function, um, and to give you some reminders. So normally you guys have the option of coming into the office for the weekly meetings that you guys have with Rose. At this point, I think she'll probably doing a majority of her stuff from home. So that being said, yes, we will still have, excuse me, yes, we'll still have the weekly meetings on Wednesdays. The things that we should review there, just to rehash, are your weekly scores. We'll also want to review, um, do some practice notes, any other things that you want to discuss. Ms. Dyson will be on the call as well on Wednesdays. Scheduling, make sure there are no issues there. Any issues that pertains to clients, open dialogue, open feedback. As it pertains to the mental health appointments at the houses, and also intakes for PRP. Expect a phone call and/or text message from Rose or the mental health therapist. If there is a mental health therapy appointment that needs to take place, I sent you the previous email. This one's a lot shorter, but again, just to reiterate, you should get a phone call from the mental health therapist the day prior to, or at the very latest, the morning of, basically reminding you, hey, these are the person or persons that we have a mental health therapy appointment with. Um, at that point in time, whatever time is scheduled, you'll meet with that person and let that person know. You actually reach out to them in advance, but the day of, you'll meet with them and either connect via Zoom or Doxy Me, and let the mental health therapist appointment take place. If it's a PRP intake that needs to be completed, then Rose will contact you to do a Zoom session with the individuals, the same thing that you normally do during group, but it'll be a time that's scheduled with Rose and you to meet with that person to do the PRP intake with them. So if there are any questions, let me know. But thank you. Have a great day.